this year for the White Sox.
24-year-old left-hander. Fly ball, right field. Pretty good carry. Great carry. Rios back. Gone. Goodbye. Home run. Franklin Gutierrez. About that, Rios looked like he had a beat on it all the way, and Goody leaves the yard here for his second home run, 4th RBI.
The ball typically carries here. It will at US Cellular Field. It will carry out towards right center field where the bullpen is, the Mariners bullpen. But there's also a breeze tonight. It's cold, but there's a breeze blowing out to right. And Franklin lets the ball really travel. Hits it basically, I guess it was about where his belly button is, and drives it to right field. But I thought Rios, you're right, Dave. He looked like he was going to have